What's up, everybody? I wonder if the accessories from the 2021 fit the 2022 iPad. Let's check it out. Yeah, so I've got the 2022 iPad Pro 12.9-inch here. I went with the 256 this time and the LTE because I don't necessarily need the extra 8 gigs of RAM. I thought I'd do video editing on this thing originally when I got the 2021 version, but never really happened. I ended up just doing administrative stuff on it. So obviously nothing new to see here as far as the presentation goes in the box. Thing looks pretty awesome. Giant piece of glass and some metal. Got your regular accessories, charging brick, and the charging cable. But that's not what we're here for. Let's see if some accessories fit. So yeah, let's get this thing out of the paper here. So pretty. It's like a gigantic iPhone. So I got the 2021 on the left and the 2022 on the right. Nothing crazy as far as the setup goes. I got a carbon fiber Pataka case here and basically a screen protector with the Apple keyboard. So going after the Pataka case first, slides in. Everything appears to line up correctly. Nothing really special to do here. Just all snaps in. Everything feels nice and tight. So this is definitely a go. Fits no problem. Plenty of room for the optics. The Apple keyboard. Boom, connects right up, obviously, because it fits in the case. Closes, keyboard types, and the mouse pad works. Boom, good to go. I used the JetTech screen protector for this thing last time. They're inexpensive, they're great, and it comes with 2 of them in the package. Let's check it out and see if it fits on the 2022 iPad. Get this thing all cleaned, even though it's basically brand new out of the box. Comes with your sticky things to pull all the fuzzies off. Works great. And it also has the largest alcohol wipe pad I've ever seen in my life. This thing's for like eating lobster or something. Boom. Gigantic piece of tempered glass. Peel. Gigantic screen protector peel. And I'll save you the excitement. It lines up perfectly fine. Get all those air bubbles out. And you're good to go. So yeah, if you're looking to go from the 2021 iPad to the 2022 iPad, all your things will work. Your accessories, your keyboards, your mice, and all that stuff, and screen protectors should all connect up no problem. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video with me today. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.